This face soap will gently exfoliate your face, and then it will tighten your pores and give you glass looking skin. Yes, this soap contains lemon peel and rice, so it's a powerful combination for gently exfoliating and then brightening, at the same time tightening, giving you anti-aging looking face. So if today is your first time viewing this channel, please subscribe to my channel, and then if you're ready, let's begin. So I started by measuring my lemon peel powder. Lemon peel powder is normally used when in wash up products, like in a soap, in a scrub, in face masks. It's a very good exfoliating powder, and it's brighten the face, or it's brighten the whole body, and then it's good. Okay, so I hydrate it with rose water. If you don't have rose water, you can use distilled water, or if you don't even like to hydrate it, you can just pour the powder just like that. But then I like to hydrate it to kind of activate it. It's dry. All these dry powders, I feel like they need activation at some point. So I hydrate it to activate the goodie in it before adding it into my formulation. And this is rice powder. Rice powder is an exfoliating agent also. It exfoliates, it tightens skin, it brightens skin, it gives you glass skin. Yes, it's a secret Korean ingredient when it comes to giving glass skin. So rice powder is so good. Also, it's used in wash up product and in cream also. Yes, there is a way you can use it in your cream if you want to make rice cream. So but this time around we are using it in our soap. So this soap is face soap. It's mainly face soap. It's good for sensitive skin, good for normal skin, good for oily skin, combination skin. It doesn't matter which type of skin you have, this soap will work for you. Like I said, it will hydrate your face, it will exfoliate your face if you're suffering from all this oiliness, and then it will tighten your pores if you have saggy open pores, and then it will help with tanning. If you have very dull looking skin, it will brighten it over time, and then like your face will be the way you want it to be. Like if you're using the soap, your face will be, you will like your face. Let me just put it that way. So this is our glycerin soap base. You can use either shea butter soap base, goat milk soap base. It doesn't matter, but I have glycerin soap base, and that's what I'm using. So I have measured my glycerin soap base. I will just double boil this and then turn it into liquid form. As you can see, I've already double boiled it. This straight to the point video. I don't want it being so long. So we've already double boiled this, and then we're going to just incorporate our ingredients. So this is my hydrated lemon peel powder. As you can see, it's not watery, like it has just soaked in all the water. That's why I said it need hydration, because I feel like when you just put it like that, it doesn't have time to hydrate, and then the soap will harden, and then I feel like all the what you need to get, you will not get it fully. So that's why I decided to just let me hydrate it. And then this is my rice powder. You need to mix it so well to dissolve all the lumps. Putting rice powder directly there creates lumps, so you have to mix it, and just be careful while mixing not to create bubbles, small bubbles on your soap. Just mix it gently to avoid any lumps in your soap. So because we used lemon peel, is drying, and rice powder too is kind of drying, so I just said let me add glycerin to give a more hydrating effect. It will not be that super drying. Besides, it will not dry you. It's glycerin so base, but then I added more glycerin, vegetable glycerin, to give it that hydrating effect. The last thing we need is for us to be battling with dry face or dry body. So that's why after that I do not use fragrance. Yes, I'm so concerned and skeptical about using fragrance in my face products because, like I said, fragrance used to trigger acne, pimples, reactions on the face. You don't like that. So if you're preparing soap or any face product for yourself or for your client, beware of fragrance. It will ruin your formulations. So I put it in a soap mold, give it some time, some hours, it is hardened, and then we remove it we remove it out. This soap is so good. It's simple, but then it's effective. You need to try it out to see. Trust me, you will love this soap. It's so simple. You can see how flawless this soap is. So like I said, don't forget to subscribe, and we do train. If you want to learn how to formulate skincare product from scratch, there's a link in our description box where you chat us. So bye.